How to split text into columns in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to split text into columns in Excel. This is super useful when you have data stuck in a single column like full names or combined values and you want to separate them into different columns. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file first. Now here you can see that the names are combined. Like I have full names like Ravi Sharma and Sita Rai all in one cell. Now I want to split them into two separate columns, first name and last name. So I'll go to a cell beside that, the C cell, and right click on it and then tap insert and again insert another table. Now here I'll put in first name and in another cell I'll put in last name. Now what I can do is I can select Ravi and Control C, that is copy, and put it in the first name column, Control V, and then there is a shortcut for filling it, that is Control E. Now you can see that only the first name are copied. Now if you want to copy the last name, if you just copy a Sharma and then try to paste it and use Control E here, then there you go. It's as simple as that. Control E feature reads from the name column and then just paste the value that you want. So this is how you split text into columns in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.